All right, we're fixing to do something I have not done often. And it's always, when I get a knife to this degree, finished, except for the edge, and then I move on to the sheath, there's just so many moments, apprehensive moments. I've got my Kydex in here heating up. It's not hot enough yet. And I'm fixing to make my Kydex sheath. So this is my Kydex press. Buck Run 11. Uncle Buck made me that. And that was a very, very nice thing. Okay, let me wait for this Kydex to warm up. Give it a few minutes to cool. I hope I heated it up enough. And if not, I can reheat it. So I'll know in a minute. I'm going to make a cup of coffee. By the time I drink a cup of coffee, this ought to be cool enough to see if I got it hot enough. There's a fine line between hot enough and melting. All right, I got the top off, and you're going to see it when I see it. Well, it's still a little warm, but it's cool enough to work with. Okay, now, didn't move much, moved about 1/4 of an inch when I smushed it down. Okay, now I've got to get the knife out and start trimming this and then come down here. What you're trying to do is actually what I got to do is get the knife out and drill my holes and rivet this together, and then start imagining where I'm going to make my cut lines. All right, let me take it to the shop. Okay, I like that. Now I have got to polish the edges of the sheath. I do that on a buffer, and it makes them nice and shiny and smooth. And there's a good retention here. Come on. Hard to do with one hand. But that ain't coming out. I mean, it ain't coming out if it falls out. Okay, I'm going to polish it, and then I'm going to go run I have some Coyote Brown or Flat Dark Earth paracord. I'm going to go thread that in there, and then I'll put the edge on this knife, and this will be done. Okay, that's it. I like it, and I've got another guy that wants one just like this. And now that I have made my first, I feel really good about making another one. So let me tell you how this works. I leave you plenty of room to put this around your neck. Figure out what height you want to wear it at, and then you tie a knot at that height, and you cut off the ends, and But this would be how it. There we go. This would be how it would be worn around your neck, and when you get it to the height you want it at, I would carry mine above my belly, my keg. So, okay, I'm gonna box this up. It's got a really good edge on it, and I may be making a lot of these because they're just kind of fun to make. And the Kydex is easier than leather, but it's also easier to screw up than leather. Okay, that's backwards. This is the front. Okay, coming to you, Abe Lincoln. Captain's log, stardate 2020. Our coffee supply is running perilously low. I have enough coffee left to last me approximately this afternoon. Just a heads up, I hate flashlight reviews because most people get them for free. And, I got them for free here. I'll tell you, I got that for free. And I got that for free. And they're good flashlights. But you have a very hard time if they're junk. Fortunately, I didn't come across any flashlights that were junk. But if I had, I would be torn between telling you that they were junk or just not doing the review and sending the flashlight. It was a pain in the neck. Not quite that high, but so I have a flashlight coming that I bought. That flashlight right there. And I will be doing a review against another flashlight that I bought. I actually bought two of these. I liked this one so much. I got this at Walmart. I think it was 60 or 70 bucks. It was really expensive, but when I bought the first one and I brought it home and I realized how freaking bright it was, I said, man, I got to get another one. And what I liked about it is you can do a couple of things. You can charge this from your computer, and then, one second. You can charge your phone on this side. You can also charge it from this side. But it's got a 1 amp output. Is that what it says? So you can charge your cell phone from it. That's been a great flashlight, and we use it all the time. So I will be doing a review. I have another flashlight that I bought at, was it Lowe's or Home Depot? I can't remember. I'll show you the flashlight when I get to the review. But just know this, the flashlights that I'm reviewing are flashlights that I paid my own money for. And it's just going to be a quick, let's go out at night and shine the light in the woods kind of review. Comparing a couple of, this is a 2-cell D-cell batteries. It takes 2 of them. And my other Maglite, this is a Maglite. My other Maglite takes 3, but it's an older style Maglite. And the one I bought at either Lowe's or Home Depot, it's just kind of an off-brand, and it was only 20 bucks. And then on top of that, it was, a heck of a sale. I think I ended up giving like 12 or 13 bucks for it, plus my 10%, my veterans discount. So I'm just going to compare those 3 because they're all D cells, and I think this is going to be the winner here. It's pretty bright. It wouldn't win over this, but here's the reason. I forgot what I started this for. These are common D-cell batteries that you can get anywhere. This is rechargeable, and these take 18650 batteries, which I wouldn't say they were rare, but they're not just everywhere like D-cell batteries are. So these are fine. They're bright. They're all Chinese. And the 18650 batteries that these take, man, they run the gamut from nearly worthless to way overpriced. And you don't know until you buy them. Or you watched a review like Project Farm. Project Farm just did a review on 18650 batteries. And I may go buy a couple, because I have so many of these flashlights that take these. I may go buy a few of the really good batteries. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a heads up. There will be a flashlight review coming. But it will be a flashlight that I bought. And I'll be comparing it against 2 others that I bought too. And they have the D-cell in common. This is a 2, the other one's a 3. The 2 other ones are both 3 cells. But that doesn't really have any effect on the brightness coming out. It just has an effect on the length of time you can use the light. Well, we've had hummingbirds for the last 3 days now. I just thought of something. Inside every dark cloud is a silver lining. Because of this virus, people can't leave their homes, can't go to work, can't leave their driveway. So finally, Ford owners get to understand what it's like to own a Chevy.